So if you've never solved a cube before, it may seem impossibly hard. Solve the white cross. Take this piece from the bottom and just move it along the bottom until you find that it's underneath the correct colored center. Turn the right side up, turn the top with your right hand, like that. Turn the right side down, and then turn the top with your left hand like this. So like this. 1, 2, 3. This one's solved, bring over the next one. And then, there you go. Hey guys, this video will be for how to solve the 4x4 Rubik's Cube using the 𝐓𝐼𝐿 method.
Oh, is that 10 by 10?
Hey, is that a 10 by 10?
Is that 10 by 10?
Hey, is that a 10 by 10?